Now, the cryptocurrency market seems to be getting hit literally from every angle at this moment. We've got Jerome Powell talking about a bunch, who knows what, man. That guy's just full of nonsense. We've got regulators breathing down the necks of centralized exchanges. We've got the SEC wondering whether or not Coinbase and all of these other exchanges are listing cryptocurrencies or they're listing securities. And to top it all off, we've got Mt. Gox about to release the motherload of treasure chests of Bitcoin. 137,000 Bitcoin set to be released or start to be released as of tomorrow. So I want to discuss it. I know a lot of us on here might not be terribly concerned about owning Bitcoin at the moment, but if you've got Terra Luna Classic, if you've got Shiba Inu coin, if you've got really any cryptocurrency for that matter, and 137,000 Bitcoin start to flood the market, it could lead to a sell-off in more than just Bitcoin. So let's talk about what it means for our coins, and specifically Shiba Inu coin and Terra Luna Classic. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. Make sure to check that out. You can choose Shiba Inu coin. And if you guys do want to trade something like Terra Luna Classic, you've got a link down there for KuCoin. Crazy thing is, they let you trade on 5x leverage. So if you're sitting there trading on 5x leverage, just know that your risk is extremely increased along with your reward. So if you're trading on 5x and you see a 20% gain in the overall price of Terra Luna Classic or any other coin you're trading for that matter, that's a 100% gain that you're going to be receiving in your account because you're trading on that margin. So be careful if that's the direction you guys go. But nonetheless, if you want to buy Terra Luna Classic, you can absolutely, absolutely do it on KuCoin. So let's talk about Mt. Gox, what is supposedly happening tomorrow, and how it's going to affect the prices of the coins that we own, like Shiba Inu coin and Terra Luna Classic. So we've got a potential 137,000 Bitcoin being released. This is roughly $2.7 billion, not million, billion dollars worth of Bitcoin that is set to be released within the next couple of days. A lot of people are confused as to whether or not it's going to be released all at once, if it's going to be stair-stepped into it, and let's look at it this way. Regardless of how Mt. Gox releases to their creditors. Now remember, creditors are depositors like you and I. It's the same situation we're in right now with Voyager and these other cryptocurrency exchanges, in the sense that when you make a deposit, they view that as theirs. Not as your deposit, but as theirs. You become an unsecured creditor in that situation, which is wild for me to think, but I'm not going to go on a tangent on that right now. I want to talk specifically about how it's going to affect the coin prices. So $2.7 billion seems like a lot. Worst case scenario, it all hits the market tomorrow. Now, I highly doubt, and when I say highly, I mean highly doubt, that everybody who receives their cryptocurrency, even if they all receive it tomorrow, I highly doubt that every single person goes out and sells their coins immediately. There's one thing in transferring a coin from wallet to wallet. Okay, yes, it's been locked and stored away for the last 8 years, and these Bitcoins have not had the opportunity to be sold. But even if you give the person their Bitcoin back, it does not guarantee that they will sell it. It does not guarantee that they'll all sell at the same time. So therefore, we would theoretically not have to be concerned about $2.7 billion all being sold off at the same time. If this was a worst case scenario for Bitcoin and everybody received their coins tomorrow and everybody sold off, guys, Bitcoin would absolutely be able to swallow that up in its daily average volume. So just think about it that way. It is a big concern. A lot of people are trying to create a little stir around it right now and say that coin prices are going to drop off because of Mt. Gox releasing these coins back into the market. And even if they do, even if everybody sells off, it is going to get eaten up by the daily average volume, and we are still going to be fine. The main concerns that we should have as cryptocurrency investors right now is Jerome Powell completely switching his story and now saying that inflation, which I agree with, I did not agree with him before, that inflation is going to cause some pain. It's going to be worse than they were leading on a couple of days ago. I mean, he literally just flip-flopped his story as of yesterday. And these regulators like the SEC and the US Treasury really trying to crack down on cryptocurrency and privacy coins. So those are the main concerns for the cryptocurrency market right now. So what does that mean for Shiba Inu coin and Terra Luna Classic as well? Even if the market is flooded, even if we have the largest sell-off in Bitcoin's history with 137,000 coins just being sold as soon as they hit the accounts, what are we going to see? Maybe a 10% decline going from $20,000 to $18,000 in Bitcoin. Well, that's going to translate to maybe a drop to 1,100 points per coin, another 10% drop in Shiba Inu coin as well. Terra Luna Classic has so much going on right now that it might not even be affected. If we look at the overall crypto market, it's getting hit very hard because of what Jerome Powell said yesterday. Yet Terra Luna Classic is still in the green. It is still climbing. Staking being re-enabled. We've got burn taxes around the corner. It is still possible for these coins, Shiba Inu coin and Terra Luna Classic, to trade on their own and separate of the overall crypto market. Shiba Inu coin does seem to be a little bit more correlated with the overall market than Terra Luna Classic does, but nonetheless, guys, it is not a guaranteed correlation or a guaranteed reaction in Bitcoin or in Shiba Inu coin and Terra Luna Classic from a move in Bitcoin. So yes, it is a concern. Yes, it is something that is floating around in the market right now, but there are so many more things that we should be focused on than people finally getting their money back. Think about it. This is a good thing. It's a good, regardless if we see a little dip, it's a good thing that these people are getting their money back that they've been waiting 8 years for. Think about that. So if we have to stomach another little dip, we stomach another little dip. People are being made whole, and that's what's important. I want to know what you guys think, though. Let me know your thoughts. What's the price of Bitcoin going to drop down to? I want to know your absolute bottom, where you just jump in. You don't think it's going to go any lower than that. What are your thoughts on that price? Let us know down there in the comments. Of course, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 free stocks on Webull. You got a free Discord. Don't forget, if you want to trade Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin. They offer leverage, so proceed at your own will, I guess. What does the lifeguard say? Swim at your own risk? I don't know. Whatever. Play at your own risk at this point of the game. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.